guys, today I'm going to Qutub Minar with my dad. Last time I went to Humayun's tomb and some other places. Today I'm going to Qutub Minar. Got inside the cab.
8207.
My dad.
स्ट्रेट निकल जाएंगे
हाँ जी हाँ जी.
Alright, we're leaving. Call me.
तूने अभी डाल दी तो गर्मी लगेगी.
Oh, alright. Let me just remove this.
लेफ्ट
Oh, got it removed. Yay. Okay, so you're gonna go to Qutub Minar, spend a day over there.
Few hours
Sometime.
of the day. The day is almost over.
Yeah, just few hours, and then we'll come home in an auto. I've really wanted to go in an auto for some time. In case you don't know what an auto is, it's in India. It's basically this thing.
Like a tuk-tuk.
Yeah.
Or a
basically.
tuk-tuk.
Yeah.
It's like a tuk-tuk that you get other places.
Basically like that, but that is the one right now.
कट गया था
नहीं नहीं ठीक है.
नहीं वो
Well,
अच्छा.
it was in
सर्विस हो गया
EV.
ये ना
EV. So this is an
This
auto
is
runs
an
on.
auto, not auto. This is an auto. This
That's
is
what I
an.
said.
You said.
You can see the recording after. Said an. So these are the streets of India.
हैं?
नहीं जीत सकते मैं क्या जनरेशन तो नहीं जीत सकते
That's
नहीं
an
बोला
auto.
तो इनको मानना पड़ेगा you have to believe
So said there are some good sights in the middle. I'll show you guys. Till then, peace. So weird. For some reason. But of all the dental pictures, you chose that. Don't even know what to see. Alright, so there are 20 minutes left for us to reach. Otherwise, from our house, Qutub Minar is just half an hour.
10 minutes. Up.
Half an hour. Half an hour, 10 kilometers. See. About 20 minutes. Yeah. So it's a little pleasant today, but also pretty humid. Like the cold air blows and it's the clouds are just on top and I can't even see the sun right now. Oh shit. Yeah. Wait, the sun has to be somewhere. There it is. But I think the camera can see it. I can't, but the camera can.
आपका ये रिप्लाई आइदर सुब्रत के या फिर
Did you see it?
एलाम तो उनसे बात करो.
Did you see it? Alright, update and plans. So my dad said after Qutub Minar we are going to be going to the mall because he has some work. Let's get some Pokemon cards. Oh my god. That's what I want to get. He is like, you see, I will get them.
What?
Pokemon cards. So, he's like, let's see. By the way, I'm wearing the same shoes again. They're just the best shoes ever. Bought them from Bata. The cushioning inside is like so soft. The sole is like thick and it's soft, so that even when your foot goes down while you're walking, it'll like not touch the bottom layer of the shoe. It's still like the sole won't let it touch. It's so soft. It's amazing though. These shoes are the best shoes I've ever got. Watch me turn into my dad. Okay, so my dad's saying that the clouds are like pretty big and it might rain when we're over there. So I might not be able to record. I don't want my phone getting wet. But I'll take some shade and maybe try recording. I hope it does not get wet. Alright. I have a new way. Whee! Guys, 13 minutes left. I just want to reach there. You know what? I think 13 minutes too much. we should just teleport over there. Let's do it. It is a plane. It's landing. Wow. Okay, guys, we're gonna reach in 6 minutes. And, no, my bad. 1 minute. It was 6 minutes before. You can see. Wee.
भाई कीर्तन बड़ा अच्छा लाया
तो बहुत सारा तू लाइव आना
अच्छा
सवेरे 2 बजे तू लेके राती 9
अच्छा
I
पूरा
know I
लाइव
did
कर
not
देता है
teleport.
मतलब ऑडियो चल रहा है वीडियो
अच्छा
Because I predicted in my mind that a plane would land.
अच्छा पहला ਉਹਦੇ ਆਦੇ ਚੜਦੀ ਕਲਾ ਤੇ ਆਂਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ
पीटीसी
ਪੀਟੀਸੀ ਚੜਦੀ ਕਲਾ
Please,
ਹੁਣ ਆਪਣਾ ਲਾਂਚ ਕਰ
I guess we should put this on. Oh, wrong way. So, put it on.
You're
And
almost
we're waiting. We're almost there.
almost there Qutub Minar parking entry
Oh my god, it said Qutub Minar parking entry date. Hold on.
साइड नहीं है वो एंट्री नहीं है हम गेट के पास जाएंगे
Okay, so we're gonna go near the gate.
This is कुतुब
I thought that was.
look at the Qutub
What?
Minar
Wait. Oh my god. Whoa.
सर जी कितने हो
Okay, that is pretty tall. Let's go outside. My bad. Wrong technique. There's a plane flying over me. Let's go inside. Qutub Minar. Kind of see it from here. You can kind of see the tower. Let's go inside. I'm just gonna teleport through this. Teleport it through that. Let's teleport through this. Teleport it through that. We're now inside the gates of Qutub Minar. It's disappeared. I can't see it. That. Yeah, this whole thing is the area of Qutub Minar. And there it is. My God, massive. So I put on 1 times now. That is very big. So if you did not know, it is the biggest brick building in India. So tallest, my bad. It's over there. It's a little different than I expected it to be. And, let's just teleport there. This is just crazy. I'm gonna get a little closer. And if you did not know, Qutub Minar had 7 floors, but a plane crashed. And
World War II the plane
Yeah.
crashed
should be
and couple of floors of the Qutub Minar fell
not couple two.
couple means 2 otherwise initially there were 7 so abhi tum ja rahe ho parallel you will see one more structure somebody tried to make something similar to Qutub Minar but that never happened
Oh,
you will see that as
okay. Qutub Minar is pretty big. Alright, let's see. A World Heritage Monument. Okay, let's see this. You can read this. Let's move forward. Just there. Let's move forward. Let's just teleport.